Ever wondered how to create your own AI chatbot? In our digital era, AI chatbots are rapidly gaining popularity, transforming the way we communicate and interact with technology. These digital assistants are becoming indispensable, offering solutions across industries from customer service to mental health. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey, a step-by-step guide to creating your very own AI chatbot. No matter your level of expertise, by the end of this guide, you'll have a functioning chatbot at your fingertips. Stay tuned to unlock the world of AI chatbots. Before diving into the creation, understanding what an AI chatbot is remains crucial. You see, an AI chatbot, or artificial intelligence chatbot, is a software application that can converse and interact with humans in their natural languages. These chatbots are often designed to convincingly simulate the way a human would behave as a conversational partner. They're typically used in dialogue systems for various practical purposes like customer service or information retrieval. But they can do so much more. With the power of machine learning and natural language processing, AI chatbots can understand context, derive intent, and make decisions, much like a human. From ordering your favorite pizza to guiding you through complex administrative processes, AI chatbots are revolutionizing the way businesses interact with their customers and employees. They're not just tools, they're intelligent assistants designed to streamline interactions and deliver results. Now, having understood what AI chatbots are, you're ready to start building one. To build an AI chatbot, you need the right set of tools. Let's delve into what these tools are. First up is a coding platform, the foundation where you'll write and execute your code. An example of this could be Python, a popular choice for its simplicity and extensive libraries. Next, we have the AI model. This is the brain of your chatbot. It uses machine learning to understand and respond to user inputs. There are many pre-trained models available online, such as GPT-3, that can be tailored to your specific needs. Lastly, we require a chatbot framework. This is the skeleton that gives structure to your chatbot. It handles tasks like managing conversation flows and integrating with other platforms. Microsoft Bot Framework and Dialogflow are two examples. Now that you're familiar with the tools, a coding platform, an AI model, and a chatbot framework, you're all set to start the building process. Step 1 to building an AI chatbot is designing the conversation flow. Now you might be asking, what exactly is a conversation flow? Well, a conversation flow in essence is a roadmap for your chatbot. It's a guide that outlines how your chatbot will interact with users, starting from the initial greeting to the final sign-off. Think of it like a script for a play, where each line is carefully crafted to guide the conversation towards a desired outcome. And just like a well-written play, a well-designed conversation flow can make your chatbot more engaging, effective, and user-friendly. So how do you design a conversation flow? It starts with understanding your user's needs. From there, you'll outline potential dialogues, responses, and actions your chatbot will take to meet these needs. Remember, the goal here is to create a natural, human-like conversation. So, don't be afraid to add a bit of personality to your chatbot. With your conversation flow ready, you've completed the first step to building your AI chatbot. Moving on to step 2, it's all about coding your AI model. This is where things get exciting as we delve into the heart of our chatbot. The code is the brain of your chatbot, where all the magic happens. You may choose Python or any other language you're comfortable with, but Python is widely recommended due to its simplicity and the array of libraries it offers for machine learning. So, let's roll up our sleeves and start coding. First, you'll need to define the structure of your AI model. This includes deciding on the number of layers in the neural network and the type of machine learning algorithm to use. Next, you'll train the model using a dataset. The dataset can be anything from customer queries to movie scripts. After training, it's time for testing and tweaking until your model can understand and respond to inputs accurately. Remember, coding is iterative. Don't get discouraged if you don't get it right the first time. Keep experimenting and refining. Once you've coded your AI model, you're halfway through the process. Step 3 involves integrating your AI model with the chatbot framework. Now that your AI model is trained and ready, it's time to bring it to life. This step is all about connectivity, as we pair our AI model with the chatbot framework. Think of the chatbot framework as the puppeteer, and the AI model as the puppet. The chatbot framework orchestrates the interaction between the user and the AI model. But how does this communication happen? Enter APIs, or application programming interfaces. APIs are like the middlemen of the digital world. They provide a set of rules and protocols that allow different software applications to communicate with each other. So when a user sends a message to your chatbot, the API carries this message to the AI model. The model processes the message and generates a response, which the API then carries back to the user. After completing step 3, you're just one step away from having your AI chatbot. The final step, step 4, is to test and refine your chatbot. This is where the rubber meets the road, where theory meets practice. You've designed, coded, and trained your AI chatbot. Now, it's time to see how it performs in real-world situations. Testing your chatbot is crucial. It's like a dress rehearsal before the big show. You want to uncover any glitches, any conversation cul-de-sacs, any misunderstandings before your chatbot takes center stage. Use a variety of test cases to ensure your chatbot can handle different scenarios. Refining your chatbot is an ongoing process. You'll gather feedback, identify areas for improvement, and fine-tune the system. This is where you make your chatbot smarter, more responsive, more helpful. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your perfect chatbot. It's a cycle of continuous improvement. Congratulations! You've now learned how to create an AI chatbot. Creating an AI chatbot might seem complex, but with these step-by-step guidelines, it's achievable. We've traversed the path together from understanding what an AI chatbot is, gathering necessary tools, to building one in 4 comprehensive steps. Now it's your turn to bring to life your own AI chatbot. Don't hesitate to share your experiences, ask questions, or even suggest improvements. We learn and grow together. So go ahead, create your AI chatbot and explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Thank you for watching.